Hi, this is Cameron Chell of Draganfly, and oh my gosh, what a day for all of us. Today we announced that Steve Wozniak, co-founder of Apple, and Woz ED have exclusively partnered with Draganfly to provide them with their drones for their K-12 drone program for schools throughout the United States. So what does this mean? It means that we're providing over 3,000 drones this year alone for those K-12 schools. It also means that we're going to be designing new drones and new drone curriculum for those K-12 schools to be able to support our youth in their STEM programs. And finally, we'll be participating in internationally already funded innovation centers to help drive that Draganfly brand, name, and ethos to everybody in the world who really can benefit from drones. This is more than just a customer relationship. This endorsement and this partnership with Steve Wozniak and Woz ED really is a demonstration of Draganfly continuing to not just innovate, but actually do the work that's possible and meaningful for us to be the #1 drone provider in the world.